What is up, everybody? Today, we're diving into the most important topic I've ever covered: water safety. Water is fun, but it can turn dangerous in seconds. I've seen too many close calls, so I brought in top safety experts to break down what you need to know. We're covering 10 levels of water safety. Each one could save a life. From hidden dangers to the one tip almost nobody knows, you'll leave this video prepared. Stick around for tip number 10. It will change how you watch people in the water forever. Let's get started. Rule number 1. Never take your eyes off kids near water. Not for a second. Lifeguards are backup, not your primary safety net. We tested parents at a pool party. On average, they looked away for over 2 minutes every 10. That's all it takes for disaster. Designate a water watcher. Take turns if you're with other adults. No reading, no scrolling, no distractions. Your job is to actively watch. We even used an alarm that buzzes if you look away. Staying focused is tough, but it's essential. Don't rely on others. If your kid is in or near water, your eyes are on them. Period. This is the foundation of water safety. Be present, be alert, and never assume someone else is watching. Make supervision a full-time job when kids are in the water. Rotate duties, but never let the water go unwatched. It's the simplest, most effective way to prevent tragedy. Don't let your guard down, even for a second. Active supervision saves lives. Watching is step 1, but what if something goes wrong? You need to know CPR and basic first aid. These skills are life-changing. In an emergency, you are the first responder. I got certified myself. It's intense, but empowering. CPR keeps oxygen flowing until help arrives. Every second counts. Call 911, but don't wait. Start CPR immediately if needed. Learn how to handle head injuries, cuts, and other poolside accidents. Being prepared isn't paranoia, it's responsibility. Find a local class. It takes a few hours and could save a life. The confidence to act in a crisis is priceless. Don't assume someone else knows what to do. Make sure you're ready. Invest in these skills for your family's safety. You could be the difference between life and death. The best defense? Teach your kids to swim. Start early. Get them comfortable in water as infants, formal lessons as toddlers. I sponsored 100 kids for lessons. The transformation was incredible. Swimming isn't just about strokes, it's survival, floating, turning, getting to safety. Adults too. If you can't swim, take lessons. It's never too late. Swimming builds confidence and respect for water. It's a lifelong skill that adds a crucial layer of protection. Sign up for lessons with qualified instructors. Swimming ability never replaces supervision, but it's a game changer. Make swimming a priority for everyone in your family. Let's talk gear, the life jacket. Not floaties, not water wings. Only a US Coast Guard approved life jacket counts. We tested 10 types. Only the real thing keeps you safe, even if you're unconscious. On a boat, life jacket, no exceptions. Kids near open water, life jacket. Fit matters. Snug, with a leg strap. Too loose or too tight is dangerous. Don't let kids skip it. Make it a rule, not a suggestion. Let them pick a cool design, but the rule stands. Life jackets are your last line of defense when everything else fails. Never substitute toys for real safety gear. This is your ultimate safety net. Don't compromise. Wear it every time. It's designed to save lives. Every pool needs rules and strict enforcement. No running. Slips are the most common pool injury. No pushing or rough play. Fun can turn dangerous fast. Always ask permission before entering the water, every time. Consistency is key. Break a rule. Take a break from the pool. Post rules where everyone can see them. Enforce them every single time. It's not about being strict, it's about keeping everyone safe. Clear rules make for safe, fun swimming. Backyard pool. You need layers of protection. Start with a 4-sided fence, at least 4 feet high, with a self-closing, self-latching gate. Don't use your house as a barrier. Kids can slip out unnoticed. Add a heavy-duty safety cover when the pool's not in use. It's a hassle, but it keeps kids out. Install alarms on doors, windows, and even in the pool itself. We tested these. They're loud and effective. Never prop the gate open, not even for a minute. These barriers work together to prevent accidents. Make access to the pool intentional, never accidental. Secure your pool like a fortress. Safety layers save lives. The biggest distraction at the pool: your phone. When you're supervising, put it away, out of sight, out of reach. We ran an experiment. Even with $1,000 on the line, parents couldn't resist checking their phones. A child can drown in less time than it takes to read a text. It's not just phones, books, conversations. Anything that takes your focus is a risk. Lifeguards don't read or scroll. They scan constantly. Make a pact. When you're on duty, no distractions. If you need to check your phone, hand off supervision or get kids out of the water. Your undivided attention is the best safety tool you have. Don't let a notification cost a life. Stay focused, stay present. Distraction is the enemy of safety. Natural water, lakes, rivers, oceans, brings new dangers. Currents can be invisible but deadly. In rivers, they pull you downstream. In oceans, rip currents drag you out. If caught in a rip current, swim parallel to shore, not against it. The bottom is unpredictable. Rocks, glass, sudden drop-offs, weeds. Always enter feet first. Never dive unless you know the depth. Cold water can shock your system and cause hypothermia fast. We showed how quickly body temperature drops. Don't underestimate it. Weather changes fast. Get out at the first sign of a storm. Natural water doesn't play by pool rules. Respect its power, stay vigilant, and always supervise. Know the risks before you swim. Be extra cautious in the wild. Safety first, adventure second. Inflatable toys, water wings, floaties, giant unicorns are not safety devices. We tested them. A dummy and water wings flipped face down and couldn't recover. Inner tubes, kids can slip through or get blown into deep water. These toys create a false sense of security. Only a U.S. Coast Guard approved life jacket is real protection. Check the label. If it's not approved, it's a toy. Use floaties for fun in shallow water, with you right there. Never rely on them for safety. Don't let a toy replace supervision or a real-life jacket. The flotation lie is dangerous. Don't fall for it. This is the most important tip. Drowning is silent. Forget what you've seen in movies. Real drowning doesn't look like splashing and yelling. It's quiet, fast, and easy to miss. Drowning people can't call for help. They're upright, not kicking, arms pressing down, eyes glassy or closed. They look like they're treading water, but they're fighting for their life. The whole process can take less than a minute. You might think someone's just playing, but they're in trouble. Don't listen for distress, look for it. Watch for stillness, upright posture, and silence. Know the real signs and act fast. This knowledge is your final, most crucial safety tool. Share it with everyone you know. Recognizing silent drowning can save a life. Always be alert for the real signs. This tip changes everything. That's it. 10 levels of water safety that can save lives. Use what you've learned. Share it at every pool, lake, or beach. Remind others. Your voice can make a difference. If this video helps even one person, it's worth it. Drop your tips and rules in the comments. Let's help each other stay safe. Hit subscribe for more life-saving content. Stay safe, and see you next time.